Introduction. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, and it introduces new elements and attributes for modern websites. HTML quote block is used to indicate extended quotations. This tutorial covers how to use the HTML quote block and avoid common errors. What is HTML quote block? HTML has two types of quote blocks, block quote and queue. Block quote is used for lengthy quotes and queue is used for short quotations. Browsers usually interpret the block quote tag by adding line breaks and indenting it. Using the block quote tag is used by wrapping the text to be quoted within the tags. It creates a separate block of text distinguished from the rest of the content. Using the queue tag is used for short inline quotations. Text within the queue tags will be enclosed in quotation marks automatically by the browser. Adding citation source with the cite attribute. Citation source can be included within block quote or queue tags using the cite attribute. The value of the cite attribute should be a URL pointing to the source of the quotation. Citation source is not typically displayed on the web page, but user agents can use this information. Tips and common errors. Use block quote for long quotes and queue for short inline quotes. Always close your quote tags to avoid unexpected results. Ensure the URL provided in the cite attribute is valid. Use quotes sparingly and only when they add value to the content. Conclusion. HTML5 offers versatile tools like quote block to enhance content presentation. Understanding how to use block quote, queue tags, and citing sources can add credibility and visual diversity to website content. The key is to use these tools appropriately and avoid common mistakes.